In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on Google Docs. This can be incredibly helpful if you're collaborating with others, ensuring you don't miss important feedback or discussion points on your documents. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This is where we'll access Google and eventually Google Docs. If you're not already familiar with accessing Google Docs, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step. Once your browser is open, head over to google.com by simply typing this into your address bar. Google's homepage will come up, and from there, you'll want to log into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will take you to the Google account Sign In page where you'll need to enter your email address. Be sure to use the email associated with the Google Docs you wish to view. After typing in your email address, hit Next. Now, you'll need to enter your password. Remember, it's crucial to keep this information secure and private. Once you've done that, click Next again and you'll be logged into your Google account. Back on the Google homepage, find the small app grid icon located on the upper right-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this icon will show you a list of Google services. You want to select Google Docs from this list. Now that you're in Google Docs, you'll want to find the document you're interested in. Open the specific document you want to work on by clicking on it. Inside the document, keep an eye out for any highlighted text or small comment icons that resemble speech bubbles. These indicate areas where comments have been made. To view a comment, simply click on the highlighted section or the speech bubble icon. When you do this, the comment thread will appear on the right-hand side of the document. Here, you can read the comments that others have made. If you want to respond, you have the option to reply directly within this comment thread. There's typically a reply option you can click, which allows you to add your thoughts or address any points raised. Just enter your response and hit reply. Lastly, comments can often require some resolution or further action. If the issue highlighted by a comment has been addressed, you can resolve it by clicking on the Resolve button within the comment thread. Alternatively, if you need to revisit a resolved comment, you can choose to reopen it. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to view and interact with comments in Google Docs. This will ensure that your collaborative efforts are streamlined and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.